Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 14, Know Your Body. So, human organs and systems. So, we have so many body parts and our human system has so many organs. So now learn in detail human organ system. So here we can see a skeleton system, muscular system, nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system. So there are so many system, organ system. First, skeleton system. So here we can see a skeleton system. So what is a skeleton system work? Provides a structure to the body and protect the internal organs. So, skeleton system work for provides a structure to body and protects the internal organ. Now, number two, muscular system. So, muscular system supports the body and allow to move. Muscular system support to body and allow to move. Then, nervous system. So, what is the nervous system do? So, nervous system controls sensations through movement and virtually all other body activities. Then digestive system. So digestive system breaks down food and absorbs its nutrients. So digestive system break down food and absorb the nutrients. Then respiratory system. So respiratory system takes in oxygen and release waste gases. And then circulatory system. So circulatory system transport oxygen, nutrients and other substances to cell and carry away waste. So, humans' organs have six types of system: skeleton system, muscular system, nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, and circulatory system. So, now we learn in detail nervous system. So, here we can see a brain is a nervous system, then respiratory system in lungs is a most of parts is a lungs is a most part, and then nervous system in brain is the most part, and then curricular system. So heart in a circulatory system in a heart is a main part, then urinary system in kidneys, and here we can find a kidney and bladder. So kidney and bladder are most part of urinary system. And then digestive system. So in a digestive system, liver and stomach, and here we can see large intensive. So this is the main part of digestive system, and then small intensive, large intensive and small intensive, both are the most part of digestive system, and also stomach and liver are the important part of the digestive system, and pancreas, so it's the most important part. So in a digestive system, liver, stomach, small intestine and large intestine is a most part. than organ in the human body. So, what is organ? Organ in a human body. So, what is organ? So, your body is full of different parts. There are those that you can see in outside, such as your arms, hand, nose, feet, and there are those on the inside that you can't see but have learned about, such as your lungs, heart, stomach, and more. So, your body is full of different parts. There are those who you can see on the outside, such as your arms, hand, nose, feet, and there are those the inside that you can't see but have learn about, such as your lungs, heart, stomach, and more. So we use the word organs to describe certain parts of your body. So we use word organs. So it's a certain parts of your body that work independently and are distinctly separate from other parts. So these are words we can use organ to describe certain parts of your body and that work independently and are distinctly separate from other parts. Most of your organs are those body parts that are on the inside, like an example above, but some are parts you can see. That one great example of an outside organ, your skin. So, doctors and scientists consider your skin to be an organ. In fact, it's the body biggest organ. So your organs, those body parts that are on inside, like example above you see, but your skin is a great example of outside organ. So now main organs of the nervous system. It's a brain. So brain is the main organ of nervous system and the main brain is the organ that survives the as the center of the nervous system in all vertebrable as most invertebrate animals. The main function of the brain is the receive information from the rest of the body and interpret that information and the guide the body's response to it. So types of input the brains interpret include orders, light, sound, and pain. And the brain also help perform vital operations such as breathing, maintaining blood pressure, and the releasing hormones. So the main function of the brain is receive information from the rest of the body. So, in the nervous system, the brain is most part, and these organs is the human body directs body movements and activity. So now next main organs of respiratory system. So trac uh, trachea is or pipe. Windpipe is the tube that uh, connect pressure and larynx to the lungs and allow to passage or passage or of air, and so it present in all air breathing animals with lungs, so that the main function of the lungs is to allow the air pass to our lungs in order to breathe. So, respiratory system in lungs or windpipe is the main part. The main organs of respiratory system is lungs. So, right lungs and left lungs, and also the main function of the lungs is brings oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide from it. So, lungs work is uh, breathing in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from it. So, children, you all are understand about lungs, that lungs and brain. Then we learn about next heart. So, main organs of the circulatory system is heart. So here we can find the photograph of heart inside of our heart. So the human heart is vital oxygen. The main function of the heart is to pump, providing a continuous circulations of blood through the body. The main function of the heart is to pump, providing a continuous circulations of blooding through the body. And the vertebral column consists of 31 vertebrae, and the invertebrate disease, it appears as a straight line posteriorly and with a multiple curves laterally according to the shape and location. Vertebrae can be divided into cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and scarial. So, primary versus secondary curve. Spin abnormalities. So, here we can see a vertebral column. So, there are different types of column. And then main organs of the urinary system is kidney. So here we can find a kidney. So the main function of the kidney is to remove waste product from the blood and regulate the water filled leaves. So the main function of the kidney is to remove waste product from the blood. And the types of teeth and a function. So here we can see types of teeth. So adult have a 32 teeth, and a child have a milk teeth, and milk teeth is not a permanent teeth. So in wide, flat, sharp, cutting edge, and the snipping food. Canine, sharp, shaped like daggers, and used for cutting, gripping, ripping food, sometimes called eye teeth. And molars and molars, so fold surface, used for grading. Molar teeth large, but premolar is smaller. So here we can find many types of teeth, and many types of teeth like wide, flat, sharp, cutting edge, and snipping food. So, main organs of the urinary system. So, urinary is kidney, bladder, and ulterior. So, kidney is the main function of urinary system. So, the ureter is tube whose function is carry urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder, and there are two ureters, one attached to each kidney. Upper half of the ureter and located in the abdomen, and the lower half in located in the pelvis area. So the kidney is a main part of the urinary system. So children, you all are understand about kidney and urinary system. So now main organs of the digestive system. So stomach. Here we can see a photograph of a stomach. So stomach is a muscular organs located on uh, uh, and the liver and the left side of upper abdomen. The stomach receives food from the as food reaches the end of the esophagus. It enters the stomach through the muscular valve called the lower esophageal sphincter. The main function of the stomach is the secrete acid and enzymes that digest food and reeds of muscle tissue called regas line and stomach. So the stomach muscles contract periodically, crunching food the enhancing digestion and allow to pass from the stomach to the small instinct line. So liver is the main part of digestive system, and then skeletal system. So 300 baby bones and 206 adult bone. One half two are hands and feet, and the giraffe has the same number of bones in its neck as a human, 7 in total. Longest bone is femur, and smallest bone inner ear, hammer, anvil, and stripper. So the adult have 206 bone. Then main organs of the digestive system is a liver. So here we can see a photograph of liver. So the liver is a large mainly organs that sits on the right side of the belly and the weighing about 3 pounds. Liver is reddish brown in a color. Liver is reddish brown in a color and feels rubbery to the touch, and normally you can't feel the liver because it's protected by the rib cage, and the liver has two large sections called the right and the left lobes. So the gallbladder sits under the liver along with the parts of the pancreas and intestines. The liver and these organs work together to digest, absorb, and process food. The main function of the liver are to absorb nutrients from from food and vitamins and proteins, and produce bile and the cholesterol, remove toxins, combat and infections. So the main organs of the digestive system is a liver, and liver is a large and reddish brown in a color, and its work to absorb nutrients and vitamins and proteins from food and remove toxins and combat an infection. So children, you all are understand about digestive system and its main part liver. So now next, main organs of digestive system is pancreas. So, the pancreas is the organs located in the abdomen. It plays the essential role in the converting food we eat into fuel for the body's cell. And the pancreas has two main functions: an exocrine function that helps in digestion, and the endocrine function that regulate blood sugar. Then circuitous structure, it is divided into two halves called cerebral hemisphere. They communicate via corpus callosum. Cerebral cortex is the outer of region of a cerebellum. So the main organs of the digestive system is how too long are the intestines. So the large intestines is 1.15 meters long, and the small intestine is 6 meter long. So intestines are long continuous tube running from the stomach to the anus. Most absorptions of the nutrients and water happens in intestines. The intestines include the small intestine, large intestines, and the reticulum. The main function of small intestines is to absorb most of the nutrients from what we eat and drink, and the main function of large intestine is absorb water from the waste, creating stool. So children, you all are understand about digestive system. Now skin. So the human have a skin composed of one more layer, and here we can see a skin layer, and the skin function as protective layer. And our largest sense organs is a skin. So our largest sense organ is a skin. So children, you all are understand about our body and organ. So now we do exercise. Know your body. How well do you know your own body? Answer the following question with the help of uh, options given. Number first, you all are right with me. So number first, what is the normal heart rate? The number of time the heart beats in a minute. So heart beats is about 70 times in a minute. Now number two, how many bones are there in the human body? So human body have a 206 bone. Adult human have 206 bone in the human body. And then number three, which organ stores urine in the human body? So it's a bladder. Bladder organ stores urine in the human body. Then number four, what functions do the kidney perform in our body? So kidney perform a separates waste product and extra water from the blood. So kidney perform separate waste product and extra water from the blood. So our heartbeat is about 70 in a minute, and adult have 206 bones. Then Bladder is the organ store urine in the human body, and then kidney is perform separate waste product and extra water from the blood. So now number 5, what do your lungs do? So our lungs, what do our lungs? So our lungs add fresh oxygen to the blood and remove carbon dioxide from it. So our lungs is add fresh oxygen to the blood and remove carbon dioxide from it. Now number 6, how many teeth does an adult human being have? So adult human being have a 32 teeth. Now number 7, which organs pumps blood in a body? So a heart organs pumps blood in the body. And now number 8, which organs in the human body directs body movements and activities? So our mind or brain is the human body directs body movements and activities. Now number 9, what are the vertebrae? So it's a spinal bones. Now number 10, which is the largest sense organ? So our skin is a largest sense organ. So our lungs is add fresh oxygen to the blood and remove carbon dioxide from it. And adult have a 32 teeth. Then our heart is pumps blood in our body, and the human brains is connect to direct movement or activity. And then largest sense organ is our skin. So children, you all are understand about this our body. Very good. So you all learn and enjoy this video. So students, I will see you next time. And also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.